Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered why some people's net worth seems to skyrocket after hitting the $100,000 mark? Is it due to luck or coincidence? You might have heard, money makes money, and the rich are getting richer. Have you ever thought about how this is possible? Let's start with the question, how? Reaching a certain threshold suddenly grants you exclusive access to better opportunities. And these opportunities mean better investments that come with higher returns. And this is how the rich get richer. It takes years to accumulate the first $100,000, but after crossing that threshold, compound interest starts pushing net worth higher at a faster and faster rate as each year passes. Similarly, when you save $10,000 a year and invest it, it takes some time to reach $100,000. But after that, each $100,000 comes quicker because your money works for you. Money makes money. It's like laying a strong foundation for a big house. Once you have it, building wealth becomes much easier. The more money you have, the more money you can make. Net worth can grow exponentially after reaching $100,000 due to several factors related to the principles of compound growth, investment returns, and financial momentum. Here's an in-depth reason why net worth can experience significant acceleration after crossing this threshold. 1. The scale of capital. Scaling capital allows for higher returns on a larger amount of your money, and as you increase the size of your investment, the absolute return also increases proportionately, which ultimately means you grow your wealth at a faster rate. Here's an example that can make you clear. Let's first consider the investments at different scales, all of which offer the same 10% return. Suppose you invest $1,000 with a 10% annual return. After 1 year, your investment would go to $1,100, resulting in a profit of $100. If you invest $10,000 with the same 10% annual return, your investment will grow to $11,000 after 1 year, resulting in a profit of $1,000. And then looking at a $100,000 investment with the same 10% annual return, it would grow to $110,000, resulting in a profit of $10,000. The investment, the risks, and the period are the same in all three cases, but the profits are significantly different. 2. Compound interest. Next is compound interest, which they call the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest means earning interest on the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. The larger the principal amount, the more significant the interest earned each period, leading to exponential growth. The power of compound interest kicks in once you reach $100,000. Your money starts working for you, earning interest on more significant amounts. The longer the money is invested, the more dramatic the effect of compounding. After surpassing $100,000, the compounding effect becomes more noticeable as the interest earned itself starts generating interest. The magic of compounding brings exponential growth. 3. Investment time factor. Time is the most important thing you have on your side. So even if you don't have $100,000 to start with what you have. With more time, your investments start to earn more interest, and then that interest and the principal compound. Think of it like a snowball rolling down the hill, gaining snow, getting faster, getting bigger, and the further down it goes, it just gets bigger and faster to the point where it's just unstoppable, and the gains are exponential. The real gain comes at the end of the journey, not at the start. So, start investing early and let it compound for longer. 4. Access to high-yield investment opportunities. With a higher net worth, individuals often gain access to better investment opportunities, such as real estate, private equity, or exclusive funds that have higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or basic stock investments. Reaching $100,000 opens up new opportunities for higher-paying jobs, profitable investments, and lucrative business ventures that can significantly boost your net worth. 5. Risk tolerance. Individuals with a net worth above $100,000 may have more financial stability and can afford to take on more investment risks, potentially leading to higher returns. High returns can be achieved by taking high risks. 6. Economies of scale. Individuals with higher net worth often benefit from lower fees and better rates on financial products, which can significantly impact overall returns. More substantial funds can justify the cost of professional financial advisors who can provide sophisticated strategies to maximize growth and minimize taxes. 7. Income and savings rate. With a higher net worth, there's typically a higher income, leading to a greater capacity to save and invest. Even small percentages of savings from a larger income can result in substantial amounts being invested. The returns on investments, once reinvested, add to the principal amount, further accelerating the growth due to the compounding effect. 8. Diversification. With more capital, individuals can diversify their investment portfolio more effectively, reducing risk and increasing the potential for stable returns. Higher net worth can facilitate the creation of multiple income streams, such as rental income from real estate or dividends from a diversified stock portfolio, which contribute to faster net worth growth. 9. Financial momentum. As net worth grows, so does the momentum. The returns generated from investments start to significantly exceed the initial savings and contributions, leading to a faster increase in overall net worth, giving a snowball effect. 10. Behavioral shifts. Achieving a milestone like $100,000 can psychologically encourage individuals to be more disciplined with their finances, leading to better financial decisions and increased wealth accumulation. After hitting this milestone, you gain more confidence in your financial decisions, leading to smarter investments and better money management. 11. Tax advantages. Higher net worth individuals can maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like IRA and 401k, leading to significant tax savings and more money being available for growth. With more resources, individuals can engage in strategic tax planning to minimize liabilities, such as utilizing capital gains tax strategies or charitable contributions, effectively preserving and growing their wealth. Reaching a net worth of $100,000 is often a tipping point that sets the stage for accelerated financial growth. Through the power of compounding, access to better investment opportunities, economies of scale, and improved financial strategies, net worth can grow at an increasingly rapid pace, creating a self-perpetuating cycle of wealth accumulation. So, next time you hit that $100,000 mark, remember that your net worth has the potential to soar to new heights. Keep pushing yourself, making smart financial decisions, and surrounding yourself with the right people to maximize your wealth-building potential. The satisfaction of reaching $100,000 can be a powerful motivator to continue setting and achieving bigger financial goals, propelling your net worth even further. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.